My name is Chetna Alag, an intern at UB Advocates under the guidance of Jeevan Prakash Sir, Advocate on Record, Supreme Court of India. In this video, I will be talking about the recently passed Rajasthan Compulsory Registration of Marriage Amendment Bill 2021. This bill has provided for compulsory registration of marriages, including child marriages. Because of this particular reason, the bill has faced severe opposition from non-governmental organization, activists, and political parties because, as per them, the bill is set to legalize child marriage and is in contravention with several child protection laws. In this video, I will argue that needless the row that has been created over the passage of this bill, the amendment bill does not provide for legalizing child marriages or is in a contravention with any other child protection laws. Talk about the important provisions in the amendment bill. Section 8 of the Act has been amended and states that bride and the groom can apply for the registration of marriages to the marriage registration office of the participated place. The place depends on where the couple resides more than 30 days. This section also has an unexpected add to it, as it has stated that the marriage between two people who have not attained the age of majority, that is 18 years for females and 21 years for male, can register their marriages by the virtue of parent or guardian within 30 days of marriages. Enlistment was necessary in the earlier law as well. The parents or the guardians were responsible for the registration of marriages where the two contracting parties were below the age of 21 years. The recent change that has been there in the provision is that the age limit has been changed from 21 years to 18 years for females and 21 years for males. Now let's talk about why was the age of the bride reduced to 18 years. This age of the bride was reduced so that the act is in line with section 2A of the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006, which reads as the child means a person who is a male has not completed 21 years of age and a female who has not completed 18 years of age. So that the bill does not contravene this particular law, the age of the bride was reduced to 18 years and for male it was kept 21 years. Why is the bill misrepresented? The NGOs, various activists and political parties has misrepresented the amendment bill, as they have conflated that the concept of registration marriage amendment bill legalizes child marriage in India. The opposition bill has created an unnecessary controversy, as the bill does not validate legalized child marriages in the country. Let's state a Supreme Court judgment here, which is Seema versus Ashwini Kumar. This particular judgment held that the registration of marriage is not a determinant factor regarding the validity of a marriage. Registering a marriage is not a proof of a valid marriage. And the court noted that the registration of marriages is in the interest of the society and directed compulsory registration of all marriages in India. Hence, the amendment bill does not validate child marriages, as it is in conformity with the judgment of the Supreme Court. It can be stated that the Rajasthan Compulsory Registration of Marriage Amendment Bill 2021 does not provide legal legitimacy to child marriages and is not in contravention with various child protection laws. Child marriages are still offence in India, and the registration of such marriages is a tantamount to validating them. The registration process just assists the prosecuting individuals who are in contravention of the Central Act and facilitates access to benefits under the same. The registration of marriage has great evidentiary value and allow minors to assert the legal rights. The amendment bill is in conformity with child protection laws and the paramount judgment of the Supreme Court. After taking into consideration the validity benefits of the bill, it can be said safely that controversy created over it is unnecessary.